Laba baboshwa ngenyanga edlule ngemuva kokuphazamisa ukwakhiwa kwebhuloho babhekene namacala okusabisa ngenhloso yokuzuza okuthile kanti kungenzeka bagwetshwe iminyaka e15 uma belahlwa ngamacala.
A group of people of more than 30 arrived on site where the preparation for construction of a bridge was underway. They came and made certain demands such as A, that they must be contracted as service providers for security purposes on site.
Kuqhubeka icala kudingidwe mayelana nokuboshwa kwalaba abahlanu kuphela ekubeni kuthiwa bangaphezulu kwama30 abantu abambandakanyekayo.
Now, can you tell me in your own words and how you understand why these 5 accused were singled out in this whole group of more than 30 people as the perpetrators of this offense?
Umbuso uyayiphikisa ibhayili yabasolwa ngelithi ukudedelwa kwabo kuzobeka engcupheni ukuphepha komphakathi nofakazi.
My humble request to the Honorable Court that before considering the right to bail for the applicants, the Honorable Court should also consider the right to life in terms of Section 11 of our Constitution of those who fear to be killed.
Abasolwa basagcinwe esitokisini.